Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a target process tutorial on managing agile projects and portfolios. So first, what is target process? Target process is a powerful visual platform for managing agile projects, portfolios, teams, and work items. It supports Scrum, Kanban, SafeE, and custom workflows, making it ideal for enterprise-level agile scaling. So first, on its key concept. It has entities, views, portfolios, projects, and teams. On entities, you can work items like epics, features, user stories, tasks, and bugs, etc. On views, it is visual boards and reports that you can customize. On portfolio, it is a high-level containers for initiative and strategic planning. For project, groups of related work like a product team or release cycle. And for teams, is to assign to work on projects or specific types of work. Now on navigating the interface, for home or dashboards, overview of all work items, recent activities, and widgets. You can also customize dashboard for different teams or roles. For the views, it is the core of target process. It shows boards, backlogs, timelines, and roadmaps. It create or choose views for Kanban boards, Scrum boards, release plans, etc. Now for boards, it is visualize workflows. It has a drag and drop items like user stories through stages. On the backlogs, it has a plan work hierarchy. Prioritize upcoming sprints or releases. For the timelines, it is the visual representation of work across time. It is great for high-level planning, roadmaps, or tracking dependencies. Now for reports, it is custom charts, metrics, and performance dashboards. Use built-in or create your own for burn downs, velocity, cumulative flow, etc. Now on entities, it is a quick access to all work items like features, stories, and bugs. You can filter by project, tag, team, or status. Now for people or team, manage users, teams, and roles. Assign work or permissions to individuals or groups. On settings, you can customize process flows, entity types, custom fields, and integrations. It is useful for setting up your agile work framework. Now on managing agile workflows. To create a user story, go to backlog, then click plus add user story, assign to a feature, team, sprint, and set priority. For plan sprints or alterations, set timeframes, capacity, and goals. Drag stories into a sprint from the backlog. Now, to track progress, use boards and timeline to view status. Update items by dragging between lanes or editing fields. Now for portfolio management. Create portfolios to represent products, departments, or initiatives. Track multiple projects under a single roadmap. Now link work items across portfolios to view dependencies and progress. And lastly, for integration and automation. Connect with tools like Jira, Azure, DevOps, GitHub, Slack, and Zendesk, etc. Use automations to trigger events. Example, auto-assign when status change. Now, here are some pro tips for you. First is use tag and custom fields to organize work more flexibly. Next, try visual encoding, like color codes and card styles, to enhance boards. And lastly, start with templates for Scrum, SAFE, or Kanban to save time. And that's Basically, it